In today's video, I will teach you how to create a banner in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by launching GIMP on your computer. Now go to File, then select New to open the Create New Image dialog. Then specify the dimensions for your banner. Different banners have different size requirements, so enter the exact width and height that you need for your project. Then click OK. Now, choose the Bucket Fill tool from the toolbox, and in the Tool Options dialog, ensure the Fill Hole selection is selected. Then click on the foreground color in the toolbox to open the color selector, then choose your desired background color, then click OK. Now click anywhere on the canvas to fill it with the selected color. Then choose a color that matches your theme. An optional step is adding background elements. You can enhance the background using brushes, patterns, or gradients. Choose the brush tool or gradient tool from the toolbox and add decorative elements without cluttering the banner. And make sure to leave ample space for text and other main content. Now select the text tool from the toolbox, then click on the banner canvas where you want to add the text. A text box will appear and you can now type your desired text, such as a title or slogan. Now highlight the text and use the tool options to change the font, size, and color. Then experiment with different fonts to find one that fits your design theme, but ensure it's readable and visually appealing. Now, click and drag the text box to position it where it best fits your design. Then resize the text box if needed to adjust the text layout. If your banner requires additional graphics, logos, or images, you can add them by going to File, then Open as Layers. Then select the image file that you want to add, and it will appear as a new layer on your banner. And to finalize your banner, check for alignment, spacing, and overall balance. Ensure that the text is clear and all elements are correctly positioned. Now save your project in GIMP's native file format by going to File, Save As, and selecting XCF. This allows you to retain layers for future edits. Then export the banner to a commonly used format like PNG or JPEG by going to File, then Export As. Then choose the desired format, then name your file, and click Export. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.